Introducing the Flower Vending Machine by VMFS USA, designed in Miami and precision engineered for florists, malls, airports, and events. With refrigerated storage keeping bouquets perfectly fresh between 39 degrees Fahrenheit and 77 degrees Fahrenheit, this smart merchandiser preserves flower quality 24/7. It features adjustable grid compartments, ideal for arranging bouquets, potted plants, or gift boxes, all behind an elegant glass display that entices impulse buys. Engage customers through an interactive touchscreen and accept cashless payments, cards, mobile wallets, contactless, for streamlined, secure transactions. Offer fresh flowers anytime, anywhere. Captivate your customers and bloom your profits with the Flower Vending Machine from VMFS USA today.